Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Midjourney to private Discord server and also put a bit of confusion around public versus private images and the use of credits in Midjourney. So let's go. So here I have a Discord. I am in the Midjourney Discord server. You have to join that server first, and what I do first is just go the newbies channel, at least run one image command just to make sure you have assigned the terms of service and everything is good in that respect. So you can just do slash and I'll just fill an image in for you, and then just put in your prompts a suitable hint there. So now it's generated that image successfully for me, so I know I'm good on that respect. I can run the image in command. So now all I have to do is just go over to the Midjourney bot, and on the right hand side here it's going to list the bots. Click on the Midjourney bot and it's going to have a button here for add to server. Click that and then select your private server from the list, and this has to be a server that you are an administrator. So I'm going to pick the server that I own, my private server, and say continue, and then you just have to authorize. So now I'm back on my AI Discord server and you see it online, the top right here. I have the Midjourney bots in my server. So now what I have to do is just do a slash. Imagine comes up first. You just tap that and put my prompt. So now I'm generating images of my own private server, but I don't have anyone else kind of cluttering it up. I can just do it to my heart's content here on my own private server. A couple things to note now: if you had other people in this server too, they could also run the imagine command and generate images, but the way Midjourney works is everything tied to your Discord account. They are not gonna use your free trial. You get 25 images for your free trial. They've been using their own to pay the account. They wouldn't be using your paid credits. They don't have to worry about anything like that. And then in terms of if these images are private or public, so the way Midjourney works is even if you create this image on private server, this image is still produced by the Midjourney bot and it goes back to the central Midjourney server, and then in this Midjourney web app this is accessible to the public so everyone can see this. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.